This is labor productivity intervention agent. So even when the teams are fully staffed and demand is stable, the productivity can drop during the execution. So the issue is not the effort but the inefficiency, like the ideal time imbalance and the repeated rework. So this agent will detect these issues early and recommend the immediate action to improve the labor productivity. So let us test the agent. Here I ask the agent to show the ideal teams with the high ideal time. So the agent identifies the teams where the ideal time is high, uh, despite the active demand. So these cases are linked with the workload imbalance and the execution gaps. So it immediately recommends the action like reallocation and the resequencing. So this will ensure that labor is better utilized during the live work. So here the teams like assembly, quality, packaging, these teams flag with the high ideal time and with the recommended interventions. Here I am asking the agent which tasks are with the high rework frequency and why. So here the agent highlights the task with the repeated rework uh, rework frequency patterns. So these are the early indicators of the inefficiency that can quickly impact the productivity if it is not addressed early. So these tasks are flagged with the high rework frequency across the packaging and quality teams. So why these? Because these issues occur because the imbalance quiz and the frequent task are task switching increase the chances of the error. So additionally, the ideal time during the demand often lead to the rush execution when the work is resumed. So when rework is not escalated early, it repeats and consumes the productivity hours and making the intervention critical. So, by identifying these inefficiencies during the execution, not after the execution, the agent reduces the ideal time, limit reworks, and improve the output per labor hour.